In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're aiming for a more professional look or just want to have some fun with a creative background, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to teams.microsoft.com. This site is the hub for all your Microsoft Teams activities and the gateway to a multitude of meeting features. Once there, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. This account is essential as it connects you to the Teams platform, allowing you access to all its collaborative features. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll find yourself at the Teams dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a series of icons. One of these icons is the calendar. Click on it. This calendar is akin to your organizational home base. It's where all your scheduled meetings reside. From here, scan through your calendar to find the specific meeting you want to join. Select that meeting, which will direct you to the meeting details page. Now click on the Join button, typically located near the upper right corner of your meeting details. This action readies you to enter the video call. Before you dive into the meeting itself, there are some pre-meeting settings that will allow you to personalize your setup. Direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here's where you'll find the camera activation toggle. Switch it on and you'll see your video feed appear in a small preview box. Once your camera is on, you'll notice another option appear, background filters. Clicking this option opens a menu filled with various background choices. These background filters are not just a fun aesthetic choice. They can also help minimize distractions and maintain privacy in your video calls. Scroll through the options and select the one that fits your mood or objective for the meeting. As you select a background, you'll see it automatically apply within the preview pane, giving you a chance to ensure everything looks just right before joining the meeting. This setup isn't just about aesthetics. It's also about creating the right atmosphere and maintaining focus, both for yourself and your meeting participants. Using a virtual background can significantly enhance your video conference experience by keeping the focus on your contribution. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now ready to join your Microsoft Teams meeting with an engaging and professional background. Conducting meetings effectively takes more than just logging in, so I hope this guide helps you feel better prepared and confident. Thanks for tuning in, and happy meeting!